All right, pre-algebra coming at you with day 9. I know there's been a lot of changes this week. As you realize, we're not coming back this school year. Continue to work with me. Continue to make sure your stuff is turned in. We'll take care of you. We'll make sure that you have what you need for next school year. Please just make sure you are doing your work. That's the biggest thing. I have a lot of you that I've starting to kind of slide off, and this is still going to be part of your grades. So please make sure you are doing that work. You're getting caught up and all that as we finish out the school year here online. That being said, I'm going to show you some day 9 stuff here. Again, going on digital learning, the directions, the video will be right here again, note check, and then the homework submission. I will upload the homework here so you will see. I'll do that right now just so you can see. Make sure you have everything that you need to come in there. All right. That being said, we're going to get down into here our notes. So go ahead. I'll give you some of this to write down right away. Try and get my hand out of the way as you copy this and this down. We are going to be doing order of operations. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a second to get this copied down. Remember PEMDAS. All right, PEMDAS. All right, so that goes in parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Multiplication, division, you go left to right. So if division is on the left, you do that first. If multiplication's on the left, you do that first. So that goes left to right. Same thing with addition and subtraction. All right, I got your homework. It's all uploaded here, and then your submission, same as normal. Okay, so we're gonna do some of these together here. So it's gonna be simplify, and I want you to show the steps. That's showing your work. So in here, example 1, always start. Okay, you start up here and you work your way down. So do we have parentheses? We do. So we're gonna do that first. 3 plus 2 is 5 times 4. It's the only thing left. Our answer here is 20. All right, example number 2, start at the top again. Parentheses, do we have parentheses? Yes, we do. We have several things in here that we have subtraction and addition. Well, add, subtract, it's done left to right. So we go to the left one here. 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 1. You just copy everything else down. That's okay. You don't. 4 plus 1, we're still in parentheses, is 5. So when you have parentheses, you follow order of operation inside of those parentheses. All right? It's important that you follow that because if you did 4 plus 1, you'd get 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Notice that's not what we have here. You go left to right with addition and subtraction. So now we have our 10 divided by our 5. That's the last thing we have here. Our answer is 2. Circle that answer. Example 3, parentheses. We don't have any. What's next? Exponents. Do we have those? Yep. Remember, it is 4 times itself 2 times. So this would be 4 times 4, which is 16. I'm going to copy everything else down. Plus 7 times 3. Next, we have multiply. Yep, multiply, divide. We don't have any division, just multiplication. 7 times 3 is 21. 16 plus 21, it's all we have left. That is 37. Circle that answer. Over here, example 4, going to start at the top again. Parentheses. Yep, I have that. 7 plus 2, 9. Going to copy everything else down. Next is exponents. Do I have that? Yes, I do. 2 times 2 times 2, because it's 2 times itself 3 times. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 divided by 3. All right, then I come down, multiply. No, I don't have division. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. All right, I'm continuing just to follow those order of operations. All right, parentheses, here we go. 10 minus 6, 4. 5 plus, I'm just copying everything else down just how I see it, as you can see. All right, this doesn't really count as parentheses, but remember a number right next to the parentheses is multiplication, all right? But Notice how it says multiply and divide left to right. Well, we go all the way to the left. 4 divided by 2 first. That is 2 plus 5 times 4. Well, now we're left with our multiplication and addition. Multiplication comes first. That's 20. We carry the rest down. 2 plus 20 is 22. All right. That's a review on our order of operations. Now we're adding it together with our 12-2 stuff. So we have our variables here. We do the same thing. We're going to substitute and then solve. So x is 6. We're going to put 6 in place of that x here. Plus 2. Oops, probably not go too far away here. Trying to hold my paper still. 6 plus 2 times z, which is 4, minus 9. Put my notebook on it so it doesn't keep flying around here. All right, now we're going to follow order of operations. Parentheses. We don't have any operations in here, so again, this is just multiplication. Well, we know multiplication, if we look up at our order of operations, parentheses, exponents don't have either one of those. Multiply, divide. Well, we have our multiplication here. 2 times 4 is 8. Going to carry the rest down. Now we just have addition and subtraction. We do that from left to right. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 minus 9 is our 5. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and hold this up here. If you need to pause it to make sure that you get all these notes down, that's okay. At any point during any of our notes, if you need to stop and pause it, go ahead and do that. If you need to go back over it again to make sure you didn't miss something, that is okay too. Okay, as always, any questions, anything you need to go on, make sure you're going on Skyward and you are checking your grades. If you have missing work, please get that in. I've been really lenient, not counting things late. I know we're working on this, but you got to at least work with me, guys, here, okay? I got to see that you're trying to get stuff in. If you are, I'm not counting that against you, but you got to continue to work here, all right? A lot of you are doing awesome since we started this new chapter. If you have not turned in your presentation, make sure you do that. That counts as a test grade. Otherwise, you're going to, again, go on here. Here are your directions. Then there will be this video, your note check, your homework submission, and then you are done for that day. All right, any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic day. See you guys later.